this video I will show you several CNC controllers, from the cheapest Arduino based boards all the way to something you'd normally find in an industrial CNC lathe. This is the lowest possible entry point into CNC. It's the cheapest, the simplest and also the most limited option you can get. It's fine if you only want to learn what G-code is and how stepper motors move. There's no buffer, no proper interpolation and none of the features that even basic modern machines require. Arduino is also extremely sensitive to electrical noise, so it crashes easily when used anywhere near high power equipment. It's good for tiny educational machines, but it doesn't belong in a real CNC build. This classic red USB board from China works. Let's say okay enough. Mach 3 itself is ancient, but people still use it, especially in garage builds. The biggest issue is USB. Stability depends entirely on the computer, drivers and sometimes even the cable. It's cheap, quick to set up and gets the job done, but it has clear limitations. At least it offers isolated inputs and 0 to 10 volts output for spindle speed. It's the cheapest way to run LinuxCNC. It's extremely limited by the old LPT port, but the timing is stable and deterministic. It's a good option if you have very small budget and an old PC available. It's basic but it works, and it's a simple way to start exploring LinuxCNC. Here we finally get something more modern. It runs on ESP32, has a clean interface and it's easy to configure. It's perfect for lasers, light routers and small plasma tables. It works as a standalone controller, so you don't need a PC. Wi-Fi and USB support are a big plus. The firmware is closed and the motion planner is simple, but for a budget machine the value is excellent. This is a strong choice for plasma cutting. The software is polished, the motion planner is fast and the interface is clean. It works reliably and it's basically ready to use out of the box. It's not open source, but for plasma systems that's perfectly fine. It's the controller I personally use on my own plasma table and the result speaks for themselves. This is a quick look at an industrial controller. It's a complete system with HMI, PLC, diagnostics and built-in logic. It has nothing to do with hobby CNC builds and it's far from affordable, but it's worth showing to illustrate the gap between DIY controllers and real industrial solutions. Each of these controllers fits in a different type of machine and a different user. There is no universal best choice, only the best choice for your build. If you are learning, Arduino is fine. If you are reviving an old garage machine, Mach 3 will still be enough. If you want to explore LinuxCNC on a budget, the LPT adapter is perfect. For a modern hobby machine, the MKS DLC32 offers excellent value. For a plasma table, MyPlasm CNC is a strong, reliable solution. And on the industrial end, controllers like the Sinumerik 808 shows what professional actually means.